Better start replacing than to be replaced. Embrace the change. Keep up the pace. Innovation and growth are the keys to success. Adaptability is what we should possess. Don't fear the new. Embrace it with grace, for it opens up doors to a better space. So let go of the old and welcome the new, for in this journey there is much to pursue. Let's start to use AI rather than be misused by it. Harness its power, but with caution and wit. AI can be a tool to enhance our lives, to solve complex problems and help us to thrive. But let's remember, we are the ones in control to use AI ethically with a mindful role. With a careful guidance, we can shape its course and ensure it serves us without remorse. So let's embrace AI's potential and might, but always remember to use it right.